Okay, in Tainan City on Bayman, and we're going to go to a couple of electronics stores. Forgot the camcorder, so on the iPhone.
So Vicky and I went back to Taiwan to get married, and we were already married in England, but we wanted to do the right thing and get married in front of the family. Anyway, whilst there, just couldn't help but show you some of these stores that I used to enjoy when I lived in Taiwan. This place is magnificent. It reminds me a lot of a place where I used to work as a kid. I used to work at a company called Target Electronics in Stokes Croft in Bristol. And yeah, we had exactly this kind of stuff, except everything was written in English and not Chinese. But yeah, drawers and drawers and drawers of various different electronic components, and shelves of tools and all kinds of good stuff that you just love. But things have changed a little bit now, because the whole sort of, automation and Arduino and robotics seems to have really sort of come into play. And so you'll notice that on some of the shelves here, there's loads and loads and loads of different modules and adapters for Arduinos and various other bits and pieces like that. Raspberry Pis out there, yin-yang. But it's brilliant, the little RFID sensors and ultrasonic distance sensors, little Bluetooth modules, little Internet of Thing type modules, and various different cables, simple stuff as well, buzzers, LEDs, matrix displays. Vicky found a little a games controller there as well. Perhaps a little Bluetooth games controller. Looks a bit like a PS2 style games controller, PS3 style games controller. What a seriously cool shop.
ไม่เป็นการกดอันเจีย
200啊
200咪
係啊，你去分店食。
謝謝。
好。
我去十蚊有個五啊。好貴呀，係啊。
謝謝哦。
謝謝你，謝謝啊，拜拜。I bought a spudger and a little drill. So that's actually a little a collet style adapter drill. And then off we went to a few more different stores. So there's a whole road there that is sort of dedicated to Gadgetry, and the road is called Bayman, which means Bayman Road, effectively. So we got into this one store here. In fact, I ended up buying myself a little Bluetooth speaker. So a lot of the stuff in this store is, quite high-end audio. If you look at the valves and all the rest of it, and then we get down to another store, and there's another place here, and this place is got loads and loads of LEDs and multimeters out the yin yang. It's just brilliant, absolutely lovely. You've got motors. Look at all of those individually labelled connectors, each one heat shrink wrapped. Bags and bags and bags of these things hanging up. It's lovely to see, it really is.
I am like a kid in a candy store. I don't know where to look. It's bonkers. So much stuff here. Loads of shelves filled with loads of cool stuff. Loads! So then we found a little sort of anime style, Naruto style, Japanese or sort of Asian, Chinese little, well, I don't know what you call it really,
like a shop full of little figurines and models and all that kind of good stuff. And some of them were very naughty looking models as well, which I'm sure is perfectly acceptable. As always, please don't hesitate to subscribe, give us a good old thumbs up, and perhaps stick a comment in down below somewhere. Perhaps there's something of interest that you've seen here. You might want to ask a question, or you might just want to put one of your comments down about your experiences and what you've seen and all that kind of good stuff. As always, thanks ever so much for watching. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Cheers for now.